everyone, present my honored person, ladies and gentlemen, sisters and brothers, I am greeting to all of you. How are you all? I hope that you are very well. Thank you very much, myself, for giving me a chance to say about how to speak English. If you want to speak English, then you have to remember 4 techniques. Today, I will discuss about 4 techniques. Now, first technique is practice. Practice is very important for spoken English. Every day, you have to practice minimum 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Then you can speak English. Now, my friends, already I have told one technique. Let me tell you second technique. Second technique is listening. Listening spoken English. Every day you have to listen from a native speaker. Whenever a native speaker will speak English, at that time you have to follow his speak. After that, you have to repeat how he speaks. In this way, you have to listen. My friends, today I will give an example so that you will clear from that example. Example is when you are a baby. At that time, you can speak your mother tongue? Yes or no? It is my question to you. Please tell me answer. Any one of you, tell me answer. Answer will be no. After 3 years, you can speak your mother tongue very slowly and little. But after few days, you can speak English. After 5 years, you can speak good English. So my friends, always have to remember that all things. My friends, already I have told second techniques. Let me tell you third techniques. Third technique is reading book. Reading book is very important for spoken English. Every day you have to read one page from a textbook or a storybook. When you will read the book, at that time you don't understand any word meaning. At that time, pick up the word and write your notebook. And after that, you take a good dictionary and search its meaning. In this way, we have to read. My friends, I will read more and more again and again. So today, I can speak English. Now, my friends, already I have told third techniques. Let me tell you fourth techniques. Fourth techniques is conversation. Conversation means each other to speaking. Whenever you are speaking English with anybody, that time your speaking will be many mistakes. But don't worry, many people laugh you. Also don't worry, always have to speak English. My friends, when I was speaking English, that time my speaking was many mistake. But I would not mind it. Many people laugh me, but I would not mind it. Always I keep my speaking English. My friends, I believe you understand what I mean. That's all for today. Thank you for patient sharing. See you later. God bless everybody. Thank you for watching me. Goodbye. Have a nice day.